think this is the first vlog back from our Lost vlog series, season 2. So, hey, how's it going? If you don't know me, which I'm pretty sure the 5 people that watch this do, I'm Marissa, and my husband Nick is the guy that's always with me in these videos, and we like to film our travels and adventures and just whatever cool fun stuff we're doing. Today, we are filming a music video for a band called Silica, and we're in, where are we? Bristol, Rhode Island right now? First of all, it's cold, it's 32 degrees. I don't even know what day it is. February 9th. But yeah, so we're filming a music video today. I'm gonna try to do behind the scenes because I'm like an extra filmer, photo taker, behind the scener, making a vlog today. So there's gonna be a lot of filming going on. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Look at him down there. Making sure the scene looks good enough.
Not ready for winter.
Behind me is where we're filming the first part of this music video. It's just like a library. It looks pretty cool. Got a clapper board this time. You think it's gonna help you with your filming?
With editing.
Sorry, editing. That's what I meant. I can't open it. Ready? Scene. This is the real deal.
That sounds scary. That's location of the wall.
This damn camera doesn't focus ever. It's like the 3rd time we've awkwardly looked into the camera. Okay, 4.
Play the track.
Sorry.
Can I move around or no?
Yeah.
Just like little things kept
Figure it
happening.
out.
I didn't know that.
I just figured it out the other day.
Slacking.
I know.
Indoor portion of the video, and we're driving to the second location, which I think we're changing up due to like safety reasons and just, yeah, it's gonna be easier going where we're going now. We are going to a dock that doesn't have railings, and Lauren, the singer of this band, she is going to fall into the water. And did I mention it was February 9th? And it's, well, it's not 41 degrees out, it was like 32 earlier. But how you feeling?
It's snowing out. I've had.
I know.
My brain is just in overload right now.
You went hours just going and going.
Yeah.
But he did say it was snowing out. It is snowing out. It's just a flurry right now. We're doing good though. I'm filming on both this camera and my DSLR. So I have no clue what the footage we got was. Okay. I think we've made it to location 2. Look how pretty this place is. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. So she's gonna jump off this area. We'll keep you posted on your adventure of jumping off the dock. How are you feeling?
Cold already.
You'll be fine. You're gonna do great. I know you are. Oh, God. Ended up getting an ambulance for this little lady that's deciding to jump in the water. Okay. We are like 10 minutes before sunset. You can kind of see it behind me. And we're getting ready to do the water scene. This is the last scene. And I'm over here on the jetty and I'm shooting across. Got the big guy there. And Nick is going to follow her along the dock. We have a paramedic on hand plus the firefighter. So we are covered as far as all safety bases go. So whatever it is, just don't try this at home because it's February 9th today. It's 32 degrees out and the water is so incredibly cold. I can't believe she's doing this for the music video. It's going to turn out so good. And I'm kind of nervous, but I'm excited. Holy shit.
Thank you so much. I just want to get out of here.
Thank you for being the champ.
Yeah, good job.
Really cool.
Yeah.
It's gonna look cool.
Guess what we're doing?
What are we doing?
We're ending the vlog because we don't do that ever.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, I don't even know. We are, what is it, almost 11 o'clock. We're home. Nick has edited photos and dumped all the footage. And Sim
There
is
she
here
is.
on cue.
Come
Hey,
here.
Sim.
Hi. Hi, baby.
Yeah,
Tell me all about it.
this is what happens every night. But anyways, yeah, we're in bed. It's 11 o'clock. Whatever. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, Slim.
Say hi to the camera. Hello.
Okay, good. Good night, guys.
Wind up doll I am, and tied me to restraints, never let me stand, and borrowed all my dreams while I made the plans. I swear that once we could, but we never can. Lost all momentum.